Good morning from day one at Myrtle Beach. It's actually like afternoon. My phone won't take any more video because it's awful. And I tried starting one this morning and my camera died. So I'm starting the video at 11:30. The whole family has already gone down. I had to wait up here because Joey locked the safe. And so we couldn't get it unlocked, so he had to come and do the whole break-in thing. But here's our view from our balcony. Oh, isn't it wonderful? There's the kiddie pool and just the beach. Look how calm those waves are. I just can't wait to get down there. So I am headed out now. Let's see if I can give you a little tour of the room. This is, of course, the living room. Then you have a nice little kitchen area where we can cook. This is our bedroom. It's the king-size bed, and it's got its own private balcony and its own bathroom with nice shower tub area. So, I sound out of breath, don't I? Alright, then you come down the hall. This is the boys' bedroom with two nice-sized beds. I think they're fulls. Two fulls. Queens are fulls. And then they have their own bathroom. You got laundry right there. Nice closet right there. That is a separate bathroom. And then here's your third bedroom with just the queen in it. And of course it has a door to the bathroom. And then a nice full floor-length window that views out over the parking garage and stuff. And each room has a TV. So it's really, really nice. That's where you come in. It's a beautiful unit. So let's head down to the beach. That's right. Alright, this is the indoor pool area. Thanks y'all too. Nice hot tub. The indoor kiddie area. Indoor pool. And lazy river over there. And then you have an outdoor pool and an outdoor lazy river. See? Joey, what are you doing?
You went down and got water.
Yeah, I see him.
Wet sand.
Yeah, good job, Joey. What do you think of all the sand?
So did the maintenance man finally come?
It's a grandma on the beach. Say hi, grandma.
Hi!
Yeah. It's Amy on the beach. Hi, Amy. Somebody getting sleepy. It's a Jen on the beach. Look at our whole family is here. That's Booga and Cody. Let's say hi, everybody. There's the Oma and the Opa, and the Kevin and the Danielle, and the Corey and the Tiffany, and the Lisa and Yaya. Don't show it. Oh Lord. Uncle Mac, Allison. Y'all say hi. Yeah. All right, let's go down here and see my Nick. Oh my goodness, the sand feels so good. Joey, don't throw sand, boo-boo. Hey, don't throw sand, okay?
I'm making a bed.
Nick, say hi on the beach.
Hi.
What you doing, digging a hole? Look at these pretty sand castles. I like them. Let's go put our feet in the sand. It's only supposed to be 80 degrees today. And it's gonna get down into the 50s tonight. The 50s at the beach. That's not normal. Oh my gosh, these shells hurt. Yay! Yay, tries in the water. This is the best thing, or one of the best things about the beach. Is a beach nap. And he's sleeping so good. Let's go see Nicholas riding his boogie board. That's the whole family out there. That's the Oma. Wait for a big wave. Here comes one. so we are back from the beach and we've all had our showers and baths. I'm looking beautiful, aren't I? And I've got dinner going. Tonight we're having my baked ziti. So Nick's on the iPad. Granny and Papa and Joey are out on the balcony watching people. Mike is ready to fill his tummy. Joey, what did we come to Jin Jin's to get?
Look.
What is it?
It's ice cream.
Everybody's in Jin Jin's room.
What's this?
For ice cream.